How to view achievements in Snake Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily view it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So basically, we're in this profile settings. Here, you'll be able to easily edit and view your profile. Here, on the left hand side, there's a section of achievements. Simply tap on achievements. So these are the achievements that you have done. Basically, this is the place where you can see all the things that you have unlocked. Now you can easily aim for practicing and achieving them, and later you can easily gain the reward. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.